Okay, so I wanted to give a demo of how to make some steps. And I don't know if you can tell how steep this is, but I'm looking straight out. And that's how steep this is. And now I don't even know how to do it. The camera never does it justice. But I'm looking down now and quite a bit of an angle. And I just walked down here, and if you can see right there, all the way down this hill, I slipped. So we are building some steps here, and I wanted to show you how it's done, because I haven't found a really good video online on how to make some steps. One of the things that we're trying to do, first of all, I just went and I got a bunch of dowels. Oh, luckily that didn't blow up. So we're trimming a bunch of trees, some cedar trees, and that was one of the inspirations for this. So I just cut a bunch of dowels. I'll show you what that big piece is for a little bit later. So I wanted to point out how we're going to make this trail. I wanted to try to take advantage of some of the things that we were naturally doing. So as we're walking down this trail, that's a steep hill. Since we're slipping and sliding so much, there are a few places we tend to land on. There's a place. And so like right here, we were going straight down to that. I think what we're going to do is change this and end up landing right here, which is kind of a place where I just naturally stop. Make it go across, flat across, so that we can come to this tree, which is a nice little tree, which is going to get bigger and bigger over the years. And then as we walked down here, there were several places that we stopped at. And right now I built a few steps, so it's a little different. But if you look right there in the center of the screen, there's a rock. And then it's hard to see. So usually we would come down here, so to avoid slipping, we would come down here and place our foot right there on that rock. And that was like, oh yeah, I'm not going to slip anymore. And then a little further, it's hard to see, but kind of right in the center, there's another rock. So I've been using these there. See that right there? There's another rock. So I've been using the natural landscape to try to make some steps. Don't fall down, don't fall down. Okay. Continuing on the next